All right, well, if you install this metal roofing, the Pro Rib, and if you put it this way, that's a wrong way. So we're gonna try to fix this because the way we did it was wrong. And so we're gonna have to lift this and fix this part right there. We got everything right now, you know, but do not do what we done right here. This is a bad news. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna try to fix this by put this together, and he's gonna have to move out a little bit and lift this part. We're gonna lift both parts, and then we're gonna screw one of these right here and one right here. So now he's gonna lift it up. As you can see, it jack up right there, but it's okay. But we need somebody to screw it. We need to move this up a little bit too right there, so it can help each other, so it's not too much. You see that?
Too much on this side.
You see this? We want to be about even. So now he's gonna screw right there. Easy with that. It's gonna stop right there. Now we put another one right here. This is how you fix it, guy. Oh.
Okay, I got it.
Yep.
Right here.
Now we're not a professional. We're just you know, but we just learning a few things right there. And then now he's gonna put one more right here. Right there. We're gonna kind of work it a little bit right there. We should be good right there. We need to put it down. And then once he got it right here, we're gonna level it about the same way. Okay, right there. There you go. One more right here. We're gonna keep moving. No. Well, it should be good right there. See, when we push it down, we put this. We'll put this. It should be good right there, as you can see, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, just don't miss the wood. Right there. One more right here. It works that way. Yep. There we go. You see that? Sweet right there. Now we gotta go that way and fix that the same way. We should be good.